there are different Python set operations. So what are these operations? These operations are Python set union, Python set intersection, Python set difference, and Python set symmetric difference. So for these Python set operations, we use different symbols. So what are these symbols? These symbols are vertical line, ampersand, dash, and caret. So here we'll show you how to use these Python symbols for these Python operations. So let's start with an example and with vertical line and Python set union. Here firstly I will create numbers. My numbers will be 1, 2, and 3, and this is numbers 1 set, this is numbers 2 set, and yes, and here I will use firstly vertical line to find to combine the two sets. So here I'll use print numbers 1 and vertical line numbers 2. Let's see. As you can see here, these sets are combined together and a new set is created here, but there is no repeated items here. As you can see, there are two common items here, but it is not repeated here. Each item is showed here one time. So we combine these two sets and created one set with this vertical line. And we can also use this code instead of this vertical line. And here we can say that numbers 1 that's union, and here as you can see the output is the same. Here we write numbers dot union, and in the parentheses we write numbers 2. And yes, this is union, Python set union method, and how to combine two sets. And here we will use also another example with dwarfs again. Here I'll write you dwarfs 1, and here Thorin. This will be a string set, Balin and Dwalin, and again dwarves 2, and this time I will start with Gimli, Bofur, and then Thorin. And here Thorin is repeated in the second set. Let's see that what will be on the screen after vertical line. Wait, let's write this one. Yes. Oh, it's the problem. Oh, let me check. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. As you can see here, these two sets are combined here, and the Thorin is not repeated. It is written only one time here. Yes. This is basically how to use union methods in Python sets, with Python sets. So let's use intersection operation, and this is used with ampersand sign, ampersand symbol, and here I will write numbers 1 again, and let's check, let's get these ones again, and then I will print numbers 1 and numbers 2, and here the output is the common numbers. This is also true with this one. Print numbers 1 dot intersection, and in the parentheses numbers 2, and the output is the same because there are two common items in both sets. And let's go to the third set operation, and for this I will write the wall command for you again, and this time I write print numbers 2 and minus number 1. Yes, and here we get this set and we subtract numbers 1 items from this set. So the remaining ones are here because these are also the members of set 1 and these are not. So the output will shown like this. And as you can see, because it is set, there is no order. Yes, we can do the same thing with also this one. Numbers 1, that difference, numbers 2. Oh, sorry, I wrongly write it. Numbers 2 and numbers 1. And yes, the output is same. We can also use the different one, the reverse one here, numbers 1 and numbers 2, and this time we subtract the items in numbers 2 from numbers 1, and this time we'll subtract this 2 and 3 here, and only 1 will remain. Yes. And let's go to learn the last operation, and this operation is use caret, and this is symmetric difference. And with this operation we can compare two sets and we get output the uncommon items. Let's write another numbers here. I'll write this one, and yes, that's numbers 1 and numbers 2. And yes, this one. And I write print numbers 1 and caret. It's a difficult symbol, numbers 2. And yes, as you can see here, the common items are 17 and 80 here, and the other items are here, and with this symmetric difference caret symbol we get output the uncommon items here. We can also use this one, symmetric difference, numbers 2 again, and as you can see the output is same. And we can also change the numbers here. It is not important for this operation. The same, the result will be same. And this is symmetric difference. And let's summarize what we have learned. We have learned vertical line, ampersand, dash, and current symbols in Python sets. And with these symbols, we learned Python set union, Python set intersection, Python set difference, and Python set symmetric difference.